Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I always get straight to the point in my tutorials. For my eyeshadow base, I use the Benign Clown White. I applied it on my eyelid and I'll blend it into perfection before I proceed to use my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Who's That Girl eyeshadow palette, shade Winky. I'm also using the Veloster eyeshadow palette, shade Joker. Moving on with the Essence eyeliner. For my foundation, I'm using Fit Me color 335 and Black Up color 607. Going ahead with the Shackling Concealer, color 507. I'm gonna set my face using the Black Opal setting powder, and I'm going to use it to set my entire face. And once I'm done setting my face, I'll dust off the setting powder just immediately. For my waterline, I'm using the Colossal Kajal. I'll also apply this Davis eyeliner underneath my waterline, and the color of this eyeliner is 48. For my blush, I'm using Who's That Girl blush palette, shade Mature. For my highlight, I'm using the Get Gorgeous highlight and also the Sleek Sun Shimmer Bronzer. I'm gonna contour using the Who's That Girl contour palette, shade Bambi. I'm also using the same highlight I used for my cheekbone on my nose. I'll be lining my lips using the Davis Brow liner. Going ahead with the Beyond Beauty lipstick shade 17 and also Classic Makeup Nude lipstick. To achieve the glossy lips, I used the Absolute Long Lasting Lip Gloss. I'm gonna put my non-branded eyelashes off camera, then come back and show y'all. Then I'm gonna use the glitter glue to stick some rhinestone above my tear dots and at the tail of my winged liner. I'll do the other side off camera, then come back and show y'all as usual. Finishing the look with the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray. Hold on for the final look. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.